So let's get started. We're going to bring our feet about shoulder distance wide and place the hands on the hips. Do check that your toes are pointing forwards and that your knees aren't locked out. And we're just simply going to start to circle our hips. So I'm going to the left first, then to the back, then to the right, and then forwards. So just a few times. I would advise making these as big as you possibly can, or whatever you're ready for this morning, or whenever you're doing this routine. And then we'll go the other way, circling them the other direction. Nice big breaths. Easy shoulders. We'll take that one more time. And then from here, let the hands fall and just start to circle the shoulders. Make these as big as you can without going into any areas that are clicking or sticking or restricted. And we'll do 3 the other way. So again, feet are still rooted. Knees are soft. Breath is flowing. 3 that way. Now we're going to take our hands to our shoulders and we're going to circle our elbows. Forward, up, and back. Now, if you have a shoulder that doesn't work quite as well as the other one, heed to that shoulder line rather than pushing it or doing 2 different shoulders. So try and make that as even as possible. Again, nice big breaths. And we're going to let the arms fall after that and reach the fingers down and reach the crown of the head up. And then just tip the head off to the right. I'm reaching down through those left fingertips so I have a little bit bigger stretch there. And then take the head up and over and go to the other side. Reaching through the right fingertips. Watch you're not tipping the shoulders here. Then let the chin run to the collarbone and just sweep the head off to the right. And then do the same thing. Nice and easy. No jerky movements. Bring it back to center. Raise the face up. So I'm not just dropping my head back, but reaching the face up. And I'm just going to start to reach my arms back a little bit as I press my breastbone and face up. And then exhale back to neutral. Arms reach out to the sides and all the way up. Go ahead and hook your thumbs together as if they're going to pull apart slightly. Squeeze your booty now and lift the muscles on the front of the legs so you're feeling nice and strong through the lower body. And then big reach up and over to your left. Keep planting through that right foot. Inhale to center. Switch your thumbs. Go the other way. Up and over to the right side. Watch your fingers didn't point back, but you're trying to pull and extend those arms. Inhale back to center. Exhale. Arms fall to the sides. And we're going to turn our feet out slightly. You may move them out a little wider. So if you were on a clock, 11 and 1 with the feet about. Arms go forward as the rear end goes back into a squat. Then we're going to sweep the arms up and circle them all the way around. So rear end goes back and down. Arms can land anywhere between the shoulders and your ears, and then circling them back. And then we're pushing down through those feet and rolling those thighs open. You might feel a stretch in the groin area, or this is going to really start to warm up the legs, warm up the hips, warm up the low back. One more of these. Coming all the way up, we're going to toe heel our feet back together. I'm going to turn so you have a better view. And inhale, feet point forwards, now underneath the hips with the feet. And we breathe in and reach the arms out to the sides and up. Bend the knees, stick the rear end back as you exhale and fold over the legs. Either place your hands on your shins, I'm going to show that version first, or on the floor. And reach your chest forward. So notice your knees can stay bent here and you're really trying to extend the spine. And exhale, fold back into the legs. Bend your knees, tuck your tailbone, and roll up. Now if that doesn't work, squat to stand. As you inhale, arms sweep out and up. Rear end engages, nice long lift in the body. Bend the knees as you exhale, stick the rear end back, fold over the legs. Hands into shins or fingertips on floor, chest forward, tailbone back. Exhale, fold into the legs, let the torso dangle. Bend the knees, tuck the tail, roll on up. Tailbone to pubic bone to belly. Arms sweep out and up on an inhale. We'll take this one more time. Bend the knees, stick the rear end back, fold over the legs, dangle the torso. Inhale on the fingertips, or again, hands into shins. Exhale and fold. Rolling up, knees bend, tailbone tucks. I'm going to let your head be the last thing up. We inhale, arms out and up. And now we're going to add on. Bend the knees, stick the rear end back, fold. Take your nice extension on the fingertips or hands into shins. Then exhale as you fold. We frame the hands around the right foot and slide the left leg back. So we're going to come into a lunge. The hands walk underneath the shoulders or in line with your front heel. You can always have the hands on the inside. Rock forward as you breathe in. Now as we exhale, we're going to start to straighten our front leg. And we do that again. Breathing in, chest forward, back leg extends. Now front leg straightens, and you can even bend your back knee a little bit there. And we do it again. Bend the front knee, firm up your booty, firm up the back thigh. Now push down with the front foot, hips will go back and up into your pyramid position. Bend the front knee this time, stack it over the ankle or a little in front, and lower your back knee to the ground. Point your toes, stay right here, version 1. Version 2, pull with that front foot, squeeze your booty and raise the left arm up. Take your exhale, lean forward, hands to floor, flex the back foot, straighten the back leg, walk the hands forward, hop the back foot to the front foot, forward fold. Bend the knees, tuck the tail, roll on up, tailbone to pubic bone to belly. Take an inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, bend the knees, stick the rear end back. We fold over again. We come to our flat back on the fingertips or hands into shins. Exhale and fold. Hands frame the left foot this time. Right leg slides back into the lunge. Hands come by the heel. Rock forward as you breathe in. Rock back as you exhale, starting to straighten that front leg. Take it again, bend the front knee, firm up the back thigh. I want to straighten this out. And then the back knee can bend a little as you work towards straightening the front leg, which it may not straighten all the way. That's okay. Bend the front knee back into your lunge, and then extending the front leg towards your pyramid position. Then bending the front knee. We come to our lunge. We let the knee go a little in front of the ankle. Lower the back knee to the floor. Point the toes. Point 1 is here. Point 2, bring your left hand on the thigh. Point 3, pull with that front foot. Everybody squeeze the booty on the right as you reach the right arm forward and up if you're going on. But everybody squeezing the booty on the right. Exhale is going to lean you forwards. Get the hands to the floor. Flex the back foot. Back knee leaves the ground. This time, front foot's going to step to back foot, downward facing dog. Take a sway of the hips. Then tread through the feet, pressing one heel up, then the other. Starting to warm up the ankles all through the feet. And then on the next inhale, we push with the palms and straighten those arms and wiggle the hips back and up. See if you can start to straighten your legs and lift your toes up off the floor. Then inhale, let the toes settle. Heels raise up, high-heeled shoe. Exhale, knees lower to the ground, toes point back. Rear end moves to the heels, child's pose. Rocking the hips gently left and right. Rooting your palms here and trying to wiggle your chest forward as the hips go back. Take that sway side to side for another breath or so. Really let those hips go side. Then inhale is going to bring you up to tabletop. Exhale, cat stretch, tuck the tailbone under, round the back to the ceiling. Inhale, reverse, tailbone raises up, chest forward. Take that again, tuck the tailbone, rounding the back of the body. And inhale, chest forward. One more of those. Tuck the tailbone, squeeze your booty, pull those ribs in, and inhale, reverse. Shoulders pull away from the ears as you pull that tailbone up to the ceiling. Exhale, back to neutral. Shift the rear end to the heels, child's pose. You can take another rock there. Drag the hands back towards the knees. Roll yourself up. And you are ready to go on with your day or move on to your next practice. Have a good one. We'll catch you soon.